Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. But first of all, let me wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year and the best wishes for the wealth creation in 2025. So we'll discuss the index level update, weekly update. Along with that, I'll discuss the Nifty 50, Nifty Bank chart, and some important stock market news also. So to know the 50 Nifty Bank level, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index levels update and stock news update and stock market news all about the stock market in one video. So let's get started with the Nifty 50 chart. But before that, let me discuss that I assume that you might be knowing that Nifty and Nifty Bank also in the stock market gave a very good rally in last week. The reason for the rally, and then we'll discuss in detail and analyze the chart. So two reasons why market rallied in last week. First, number one was GST collection data. This data came in last week only, and that was positive. The data came good, and that data for the last till December means Q3 data for the GST collection, and that was good. And then we will look for the next Q4 data for the GST collection, and till now it is positive. And number two, the auto sales data also came, which was also positive. It came the for this December month, means December month also auto sales data came, which was also positive and gave the boost and push to the market, to the Nifty. And yes, that data also uh, affected positively market. So auto sales data, what was there? Auto sales data actually now have totally recovered from the corona period, means now it has reached to the number, to the level of the pre-corona period auto sales number, means after corona it went down, and 2 3 years it was in a down comparatively from the pre-corona period. Now it has recovered, now it's touching, even crossed the pre-corona period auto sales number, means now it has just crossing the pre-corona period auto sales number. Now this sector is, we can say, fully recovered from the corona. So this is a very good news for the auto sector, as I can discuss for the auto sector also, that I will discuss in the end of the video, that auto sector is also showing very good positivity. So but first of all, let me discuss about the Nifty 50. So let's quickly see the chart. You can see here I have drawn 2 3 lines, which is very important. So what was happening since last 2 week? I can say yes, 2 week. This Nifty 50 is not ready to break this 200 moving average. Yes, this line is 200 moving average of the Nifty 50, and you can see here in this on 20th December, since 20th December to 5th of January, means since last 15 days it has not broken. It has totally respected the 200 moving average, and taken the support here, and from here it has shown the reversal, we can say some recovery. Here you can see it was looking very it has broken this line, and it was looking very negative this day, but next day it was it has actually started to take support here. And you can see this 650, I can say exact figure is 23,650 here somewhere. It was taking support for even more than 1 week from here to here, and here it went down and again took a reversal. So this line, I can see it a very very important line, very good support. Now it has become very good support for the Nifty 50, which is 23,700. I'm taking a round figure. 23,700 has become a very good support now for the Nifty 50. You can see here, earlier it was making the lower low, and here it has taken support, and even on 200 EMA also here. And we thought that it has broken this swing high here, and now it has touched this level, which was at 24,850, around exact 24,850. Yes, and we thought like now it has broken this earlier swing high. So but here, from here, it has taken a strong resistance and started falling back again to the this support line, which is 200 EMA, and even it has broken also here, but here it has taken support. So this has not this actually could not continued going up, and this actually could not sustain from here to break all this swing high also. This, after this, it is a this one is the next swing high. So this could not actually break this resistance. We can say like here, it is taking support. And in my last video I was giving the important psychological support, also even technical support was 24,000. And you can see on last week, only on this day, actually on this day, which was Thursday. So on Thursday, it has broken that resistance, which I was giving, which was given in my last video. That was 24,000, and after that 24,150, 200 around. So you can see this was a support where 24,200 around, and here next day it has given a very good gap down opening on this day, and on 19th this December, and this gap was there already here. And on this day, like last week Thursday, it has filled this gap nicely, and from here it has taken resistance and started falling. But still, I was looking up, I was watching this level, which was my earlier resistance, 24,000. It was actually respecting, it was actually not breaking this 24,000 support. It went down little bit, but again it has closed on 24,000. So 24,000 पे exactly इसने close दिया, which was actually like actually good. But still I can't say, I can't actually tell that it is not going to break this level. Yes, it has taken support on Friday, but it may possible it will go downside and again take a 200 EMA support here. It may possible. Yes, it can also possible that it will break this resistance of 24,200 and go up, and but it will again face a resistance here, 24,400. 24,400 is the immediate resistance after breaking 24,200 nicely. So 24,400 buy, you can see here, and this level, this level. It means last many time it has actually taken a resistance here of 24,400. So this may be a hurdle for the Nifty 50. If it's breaking this resistance of 24,200, immediately it will reach to 24,400. I am not jumping on this 24,850, which is very very strong resistance, because you can see here first, even earlier also, here also you can see 24,850 was a very strong resistance, and here it has taken support again here from the head and shoulder breakdown, neckline breakdown, and again to 24,850. So 24, then here again a 24,850 resistance. So 24,850 is a very very strong resistance, which I'm not seeing very soon, very short term is going to be broken. As I already discussed that two good news, of course, two good news was in last week, but yes, in coming month, in January, it is the Q3 result season started. Uh, Companies are posting 2 3 results, and that's, I don't think every result will be very positive. So we have to actually keep watch on Q3 result, and we have to see that how the result is coming, and how the companies are performing. So that's why I'm not jumping on this level. For short term, I'm talking about the 24,400 level only. But as I always tell, some 2 3 more level, so you need to keep this level in mind. 24,850 is a very important resistance. Now let me discuss the important final support. Nifty 50 important support for the next week, 23,700, and the resistance 24,400, and yes, of course, 24,200 is also important resistance, and 24,000 is also important support. We need to watch on Monday for the 24,000. Now let's check the Nifty Bank chart. Let's discuss the Nifty Bank. You can see here also I have drawn some line, and you can see this. These important line is a support and resistance, and you can see the same thing happening in the Nifty Bank also, as Nifty Bank is also uh, uh, taking a very good support here, which is, I already said, 200 moving average. This line is also a 200 moving average for the Nifty Bank, and it is taking support here since last, I can say, 2 3 weeks. From here, it has also gave a gap down opening like a Nifty Bank and Nifty 50, and you can see from here it was a resistance 52,100. So from here it has gave a good gap down opening, which was 51,500, and from here again next day it has almost touched the 200 EMA, and from there it is consolidating in this zone. You can see this zone is Nifty Bank is consolidating since last 2 week at least. So here this zone is very important. Nifty Bank has to break either side. If we say the swing high, which is actually 50 uh, 1980, around 51,980, means I take the round figure 52,000 around here. This is a very important resistance, has become a resistance for the Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank has to break it, and downside it, of course, exact 200 EMA support. So I have taken this support only. I am not going down beyond this support. And resistance I'm not taking here at 52,000, because I feel like 52,000 Nifty Bank may break if nothing bad news is coming. So Nifty Bank, if breaking this 52,000, immediately it will reach to 52,500. So 52,500 will be the safer resistance for the Nifty Bank, which, see, earlier also it was taking here 1 2 3 4. If we go more this side, means left side, back side, we can see earlier it is also very important resistance. This resistance is very strong for the Nifty Bank. You can see here, this is the actually zone. It has become the zone of 52,800 around. 52,800 to 52,500 can be a very big hurdle for the Nifty Bank. Or here I am taking this first I am taking this 52,400 for the Nifty Bank. So 52,400 will be the very strong, crucial resistance for the Nifty Bank, and downside this. So Nifty Bank support for the next week can be 50,500, and resistance can be 52,500 for the next week. And yes, in between the 52,000 will be a very good resistance for the Nifty Bank, as I uh, take 2 3 more level. So 52,000, you have to keep watch on this 52,000. And one more index is very important to discuss, which I have mentioned in starting of the video. That is auto sector. As auto sales number has come very good, then auto sector is looking very positive and very good in perspective. And you can see, check, you should, and you should definitely check and see the chart of Nifty auto, which is showing very good move. And yes, you can keep auto stock in your watch list. It is very important this time to keep these auto stock in your watch list. Yes, that can be a Tata Motor, M&M, Maruti, and Ashok Leyland. All the good stock, fundamentally good stock, you can keep check on those auto stock. So auto sector, auto Nifty auto is also looking very very good. So this was all about the stock market. I have discussed, and I'll repeat the level again for the Nifty 50. Nifty 50 support 23,700 and resistance 24,400 after breaking 24,200. And Nifty Bank support is 50,500 and resistance is 52,500. But yes, of course, after breaking 52,000. So I'll come again with the update of the index levels and the sectors and the stock market news, the stock market update. Keep watching the video, like and share for the others, and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update. Signing off.